Alright guys, welcome back to the video, and today we have here the TP Link AC1200 wireless dual band router. This is the Archer C50, also known as. So this is the cheaper variant to the Archer C60, because this one is just has just 867 megabits of download bandwidth through Wi-Fi using the 5 GHz band. So this one has 5 dBi antennas, which is nice, and it's also very nice and compact. So let's take a look at the packaging itself. So behind gives us an idea of what you can expect performance to be like in your house or in your condo. And yeah, so there's a brief description for you guys, so you can clearly see this is the information it's providing for us, hardware overview as well, and also all the features you need to know about the router. And this will be my replacement router to my ASUS RT-N12HP, which is a pretty old router. It's already giving me problems, so I'm going to decide to get another one, which is this one. Supports Unify. If you use Unify, Time or Maxis, it does support it, and also has a warranty as well. I think this is having a 1-year warranty, if I'm not mistaken. So let's just go ahead and cut it open. Pretty big box for a small router. Let's take a look. And what do we get? Actually, it's not 1 year, sorry guys, it's 3 years warranty, so my mistake on that. 3 years. Let's just cut it open. So over here as well. Alright, so I think it's at the back, I'm not mistaken. How to open this? Through this side, it's like, yeah. Here, pretty big box to be honest. Wow. So these are the contents. The box aside, and we do get the router itself. Let's just take this out for a moment, take a look. And looks like the antennas are already pre-attached, so you don't have to do any screwing whatsoever. So this is the router itself. You can see it's how thick it is, and these are the ports. We'll go through that later. Let us check out what do we get in the box. So here we get looks like this is just GNU, General Public License Notice, if you ever read that. And we have the quick installation guide, so it gives you an idea of how to install your router and get it set up pretty easily. So very basic stuff. You can read this if you're really unfamiliar networking. This gives you an idea of how to set it up very quickly. And we do get a LAN cable. So this one is I think it's a category 6, not mistaken. It should say category 6 or something. Oh no, it's a category 5. Yeah, not 6, just category 5. I was hoping to give a better one, but we only got a category 5 cable, it seems. And obviously we do get the power cord, which is here. So this is the TP Link branded power cord. And yep, this is the power cable. So that's all we get in the box. You can see it's actually pretty small because of this packaging, just a big cardboard. And now we're gonna take a look at the router itself. So yes, let's just unwrap these things, and here we go. So you can adjust the antennas directions just by twisting anyhow you like. So we have 5 dBi antennas, which is nice, and this is how it looks like upon unboxing. And upon closer inspection, looks like we got 4 LEDs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LEDs, which will be lit up when you plug in. So the back here we have the power connectors. This is the looks like this is the power on-off button, and we have the reset switch. We have a WPS button as well. If you want to pair your WPS devices instantly, you can just press this button. We have also the looks like this is the Ethernet port, and 4 LAN ports, which you can use to connect other devices. such as another router or maybe a modem. And yeah, so that's basically it, guys. The initial unboxing of the TP Link C50 Archer router, wireless router. I'll do a test on this thing and see how well it performs versus my ASUS RT-N12HP, which has been giving me problems lately. But yeah, I'll be testing this thing out and see the performance. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing and quick overview of the TP Link Archer C50. So thank you very much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.